Hello friends, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach loops in Java. So, agenda of this session is what is loop and how many types of loops in Java. Okay, so let's see what is loop. Loop can be execute the block of code as long as a specified condition is reached. Then why loops came into the picture? So if you want to execute your name 10 times, then what is generally we write the Java program? So like we are writing the program for 10 times like system.out.println, system.out.println, like so you need to write like this statement 10 times. If you want print 10 times your name. Okay. So this is the process in Java program language to print 10 times your name or number, anything. But it is not recommended as a Java programming language. So for that reason, loops came into the picture. So in Java, there are three types of loops available. First one is while loop, and second one do while loop, and third one for loop. So let us see one by one. So while loop is used to iterate the part of the program several times. That means whatever you're writing the code or statements in the block, those statements will repeatedly executed until the specified condition is true. So if the number of iteration is not fixed, then it is recommended to use while loop. That means we don't know how many times the block of the code will be executed. At that time, the recommended loop is while loop. So the syntax is while the following statements condition, and this is the block of the code. Okay, so see here. So while it is a keyword, and the following following thing is in the parenthesis condition, and this is the block of the code or group of statements. Okay, so until the condition is satisfied, until the condition is true, the following statements are executed. Once the condition becomes false, then it comes out for the loop. Okay, so let us see one example to print 10 numbers. If you want to print 10 natural numbers by using while loop, then how can we do that? So I am going to open my Eclipse ID. So I already developed in my Eclipse ID while loop. Yes, this one, while demo. So here I am taking a class name as while demo, and every Java program starts with main program, main function or main method. So I am initializing defining one value, assigning one value to the I variable, so I equal to 1. Then I am using a while keyword. The following, here is the condition. Once this condition is true, then the following statements will execute. So now I value becomes 1. 1 less than equal 10. Condition is true. Then it comes into the body. So it will print the 1. Here I am using increment operator. Then I value actually 1. It becomes now 2. Again it will come to the condition. Now I value becomes 2. 2 less than equal 10. Condition true. Again it will print the 2. So again I plus plus 3. Like this until the I value becomes 11. Whenever the I value becomes 11, then the condition becomes false. Then it comes out of the loop. Okay, so let's check the output. So click on the button. See here, 1 to 10 numbers. So this is the way to print 1 to 10 numbers by using while loop. So when do we use while loop? Whenever we don't know specified number of times the while loop will execute, the following block will execute. If you don't know, then the while loop is recommended to use. The next one is do while. This is also same thing, just like while loop, but the do while loop is, this loop will execute the code block once. That means at least one time the code block will be executed, because after executing the block of the code, then it will check the condition. But whereas in while loop, first it will check the condition, then it will execute the block. Okay, see difference. In while loop, first we will check the condition. If condition is true only, then it will execute the block of the code. Whereas in do while, first it will execute at least one time the block of the code, then it will check the condition. Okay, so let us see, let me explain with example, then you can clearly understand. So do while loop. So see here. So I'm taking class name as do while, and the main method will execute execution starting from here, and I'm defining I equal to 1. Then the first, in the do, whatever the code is available, the statements are available, first it will execute this one. That means it will print the 1, and then it will come to check the condition here. Okay, once the condition is true, again it will check the, and again it will go to the this block. So like this it will print the up to 5. Now check the program, check the output. Here 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so the main difference is while and do while. The while loop is, first it will check the condition, then if the condition becomes true, then only the body of the while loop will execute. Otherwise, it will not execute. Okay. Whereas do while loop, at least one time it will execute the block of the code. Then only it will check the condition. Okay. Next loop is for loop. When you know exactly how many times you want to loop through the block of code, then use the for loop instead of while loop. If you know how many times you want to execute your block of code, then you should use for loop. Okay, so in the for loop, the syntax is like this. So there are three variables. So you need to separate these statements with semicolon. The first statement means statement 1 is the initialization part here. So initialization is done, it executed one time only before execution of the code block. This is the condition part, and this is the increment or decrement part. Okay, now we'll see this one with example, then you clearly understand. So for loop. So class name is a for loop demo, and method, the main method will execute here, and then for loop here. Check here for loop. First I am initializing I value 1, then I less than equal to 1. It will execute only once. Okay, only once. Then it takes the condition I less than equal to, that means 1 less than equal to 10. Condition is true. Whenever condition is true, it comes to the body. This statement will execute, and it will print on the console one value. Again it comes to here, come to I plus plus, and it will add the one value. So that means 2, and comes to condition. It never comes to the installation part. Okay, so 2 less than equal to 10, condition is true. Again it will print the console on the 2. Again it comes to here, it will increment the one more value, that means 3. Like this it will print the 10 numbers. Once I value becomes length 11, then it will come out from the for loop. So this is the way to print 1 to 10 numbers by using for loop. So let me take it out output. So here is the 10 values. Okay. So when we use for loop means if you know the exact values to execute the block of the code, block of the statements, then we should use for loop instead of while loop. Okay. So this is all about loops in Java program. So I hope you are enjoying my video. So thank you for watching.